Will do that.
We go home. Charlie, I guess. She's here too. Okay, so the first thing are the little cats.
Oh my god, it's like somewhere.
Yep, I'll right next to you. Forward.
Ow, my nail just came off.
Oh, boy.
Frick my life. So the first one is just a little pink cat.
That's my life.
Then we have the purple cat.
That's my life out loud. Yes, you did. Stop.
And
You
then
usually do.
we have the orange cat. The orange cat, the pink cat, and the purple cat. Kitty? It's a kitty. No, Charlie, no, Charlie. And then I got the cup of fruit, which I already squished the banana because I couldn't help myself. First, we have the banana. And it feels good. And then we got an orange. Stop, Charlie. It's kind of just like the banana. Ooh, we have the pink strawberry. Ooh, I like this, the way this one feels. It's like softer than the other two. And now, the next bird. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is gonna be the next bird. Becky, give me scissors. Oh, don't yet. Can you give me scissors, please? I'll just give you some of the races for the cat. Purple ring, purple ring, purple ring. I'm sorry, by the way. Yes! Okay, Carly, you're my first. I want that. So, these are Toledo's and the balloon.